Hi Raghav, can you please introduce yourself?
Hello Atal, my name is Raghav Singhal. I'm a dual degree student of the Department of Industrial and Systems Engineering. Back in 2010, when I joined IIT, I was quite skeptical. I mean, which department I should go into. I was ranked in between 2000 to 3000. So had this very tough choice to make, which department to join. At the end of 2000, now in 2015, I'm very confident and I'm the most I'm very excited that okay, this is the best decision I took in my life, that joining this department.
Okay. So what is the experience? Like, what is the thing that your department provides in IIT Kharagpur?
My department provides a unique course. It is most relevant to the economy and the job side part. If you want to do even for the, if I give you some examples, we have ample of opportunities to go into all fields. If you look at the placement statistics itself, that there are 70% of the people now don't go for the core. We are like a core in the financial services, or even in the operations or analytics profile. So we have these courses like supply chain management. We have courses like probability and statistics. For giving a small example for the people who are pursuing 11th and 12th and preparing for the IIT. So for those people, I would just like to give an example of the linear programming which they simply used to do. So if you have this 4 marks for the plus answer, minus 1 marks for the, so you have to code these things. You have to formulate simple problems like this. So these are the things which you get to learn here. Not coming to the higher part, if you see from the, all these decisions, how much shops to make. If you are having a big city like Mumbai and you want to introduce one more McDonald's chain, one more McDonald's restaurant in the area, where will you locate it? So these kind of decisions are not taken intuitively. These are the decisions which are taken based on the probability and the appropriate research. So those analytic courses like multivariate statistical analysis and all, so these courses help us a lot in the overall development of a
individual. So as an overall, what is the exposure that this course provides to the students of IIT Kharagpur?
My department provides exposure to in all the fields. If you want to get into financial services, there's an exposure. We have courses for that. If you want to get into analytics, the big e-commerce boom is there. All this requires e-commerce, the analytics profile and e-business itself. So we have courses for that as well. If someone wants to get into core, the technical profile, the quality engineering, the supply chain management, how you see the plants are made, where to locate machines, how much machines to buy, how to schedule those jobs in the machine, how to manufacture those parts. So all this detailed analysis, that how we should actually invest and carry out the work itself. So these all things are we get to learn from the department. Coming to the next point about the infrastructure and everything, we have this the IIT Kharagpur provides world-class infrastructure and everything. We require a lot of softwares, a lot of updates. It's not something we require huge labs or something. We require softwares mostly to work on and check the simulate things and everything. So what is good about it is whatever we require, we can get it in instant. Any software you require, it is available within our labs, and we have this plenty of 24/7 our department is open. For the internship perspective, a quarter of my batch in second year went for the foreign internship, and this is every year. Yeah. This process is going on for every year. So this is all I can say, that industrial engineering is very dominant in other countries. In India, it is a rising sector, you can say.
So how is your overall experience at IIT Kharagpur?
Coming to IIT Kharagpur, it's like now I'm leaving IIT Kharagpur. I don't feel like leaving it. The 5 years of IIT Kharagpur has been, the most amazing time that I will never forget. I'll be always KGPN. And this is the coming to, I started playing squash over here. I never played squash before in my life. Then I represented IIT Kharagpur in Inter IIT in my second year. Also, it gave me opportunity to, start in my second year itself. I became the secretary of my department itself, and in that we had this opportunity to reinstate a fest, department fest Optima. So these kind of exposure, I have never initiated or carried out such a big events at any place. So this is what KGP is all about. It gives you what you want, whatever your enthusiasm lies in, whatever your passion is, it will give you an opportunity to pursue those fields.
So this is all about the Department of Industrial and Systems Engineering. If you want to know more, you can visit y.iitkgp.ac.in. Thank you.